Welcome to the Mock Lobster Tumbler Mockup tutorial. To create your Tumbler animation, click one of the Edit Your Mockup links in your downloaded PDF file to access the Canva template. For this tutorial, we will use B, the single rotation, add your own background version. You will then be directed to the Canva template. Click Use Template for new design. Next, you'll be prompted to log into Canva or create a free Canva account. Once you access the template in Canva, just follow these simple steps. Upload your Tumbler artwork by dragging your file into Canva or clicking the Upload Files button. Then drag your uploaded artwork into the Tumbler art frame as illustrated. Be sure not to drop it into the background image frame. Right-click and select Layer, Send to Back. Navigate to Photos on the left panel and search for background images. For example, try the phrase tabletop with background. Select a background and drag it into the background frame. If you would like to reposition or resize the background, double-click the image and drag or move to adjust. To preview the completed animated mockup, click the play arrow at the top right. If you're happy with your mockup, click Download to save as an MP4 video. If you want to modify your mockup or create a new one, start by clicking Position on the top menu bar, and from the Layers tab, drag the Tumbler artwork to the top. Then go to Uploads on the left menu, and simply drag in a new design and send the layer to back once again. Please note, for the double rotation mockup, use a double-width seamless version of your artwork by placing 2 copies of your design side by side. If you want to change the background image, simply drag in a new image. Create as many mockups as you would like by repeating this process with new designs and backgrounds.